Good night. Thank you for making and for your interest in this photo session. My name is Eymar Puetate, and I will be conducting this interview. The idea is for us to get to know you a bit better. Talk about your experience and skills, and also with you the opportunity to learn more about their role and our company. Tell us about yourself.
Okay, good night. I am an technologist in electronic products development. I'm passionate about technologies, innovation, and how electronic devices can improve people's lives and industrial process. I have experience in designing, developing, and testing electronic circuits, as well as knowledge in programming and maintenance. I consider myself responsible, detail oriented, and committed to counting in every podcast I'm involved in.
What motivates you?
I'm motivated by seeing how an idea becomes a functional product. I enjoy solving technical problems, learning technologies, and seeing results of my work, despite in real life situations. Every time I'll manage to optimize a system or designing functional components and skill build and encourage to kill growth.
What are your hobbies?
Um, in my free time, I like to research new technologies, work on personal electronic products, watch tutorials or real electronics about hardware and software development. I also enjoy assembling and repairing devices as it allows my practice and improve my technical skills.
What are your future plans if you get this job?
What are your future plans if you waste this job? If I waste this job, I wanna make the most of the opportunity to apply my knowledge, keep learning, and adapt to companies' standards and needs. I like to contribute to innovation products, collaborate with other professionals, and in the medium term, take to greater responsibilities in development electronic maintenance area.
What are your future goals or career objectives?
Um, just as your future goals of career objectives, my goal is to further specialize in electronic products, design, and in inventors in developing projects. I'm also interesting knowledge in automation in the long term. I would like to work on technical solutions that can have positive impact in industrial or social environments.
What do you see as a major success in your life?
Just do you see as major cases in your life? One of my greatest achievements has been compatible my trading as technology while developing practical projects that allowed me to apply just and learn.
Why did you leave your last job?
Okay, I decided to leave my last job because I was looking for place where could continue work professional in the field of electronic development. Um, Also, it was a good experience and learned a lot. I felt I had reached a limited term of growth opportunities and wanted to learn on new technologies uh, challenges.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Okay, in 5 years, I myself as more experienced professional, activity leading or preparing in design of developing of innovation electronic products. I like to be company that values technology and creativity, where I can keep learning, contributing ideas and evolving and technologies.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so very much. Tell us about yourself.
I am a technologist in electronic product development. I am passionate about technology, innovation, and I and let electronics devices can improve people's lives and industrial processes. I have experience in designing, being development, ink, and steering in LED electronic kits, as well as knowledge in programming and maintenance. I consider myself responsible, detail-oriented, and committed to quality in every project I am involved.
Okay, what motivates you?
I am motivated in by seeing an idea becomes a functional new product. I enjoy solving technical problems, learning new technologies, and seeing the results of mine were applied in real life situations. Every in mind to optimize a system or design a function component, I find from fields and inquiries to keep progress.
Okay, perfect. What are your hobbies?
In my free time, I like to research new technologies where on personal electronic projects from tutorials or enrich articles about hardware and software development. I also enjoy assembling and repairing things based at, at it allows me practice and improve my technical skill.
Okay. Uh, what are your future plans if you get this job?
And I have this job, I want to make the most of the opportunity to apply my logic learning and adapt to the company's standards and needs. I like to contribute to innovative projects, collaborate with or tour professionals and intimate their take on greater responsibility. It is and the development area.
Uh, what are your future goals of career objectives?
My goal is the future specialized in electronic product design and eventual lead development projects. I am also interested in integrating knowledge in automation. In the long term, I would like to work of technology could insult they can have a positive impact in industrial or social environments.
Okay. What do you see as a major success in your life?
One of my greatest achievements has been completing my training as an technologist while developing break equal projects that allowed and me to apply what I have learned.
Okay. Uh, why did you leave your last job?
I decided to leave my last job because I was looking for a place where I could continue growing professionally in the fields of electronic development. Although it was a good experience, and I learned a lot, I felt I enriched a life in terms of growth opportunity and wanting to take on new technology.
Okay.
Challenge gigs.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see yourself as a more experienced professional and actively in or practice of painting in the design and the development on innovative electronic products. I like to be in a campus near that values technology and creativity where I can keep learning contribute and digs and evolve as a technology.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.